What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blaze of Grass Lawn Care, and I'm at the outdoor booth of SiteOne. And what I want to do is find out what are the benefits of utilizing battery equipment. You know, how long is the run time? All those questions that you guys asked me. Steve, how's it going?
Going great. How are you?
Good, good. So the number one question is, what are the benefits of utilizing battery products over the gas?
Well, there's several benefits. Return on investment is the number one benefit. The cost to charge batteries versus the cost to run gasoline engines is substantially less. Essentially, in about a year's time, you can recoup all the cost of your tools, lack of maintenance, and lack of fuel.
What about runtime? And that's a big deal.
So our goal is to have a battery typically last about as long as a tank of fuel on a similar product. So we have different CC values of power in our battery powered tools, and typically, like line trimmer being in a 30 cc class, it runs nearly the length of a tank of fuel on a 30 cc class gas trimmer. So that's really our goal. I always say use the power that will do the job, and you will make batteries work for you.
Kind of like feathering the trigger?
Sure.
Gotcha, makes sense.
Let's take a walk over here and check out some of the equipment.
Awesome.
So the Edger is a brand new product that was just released October 2nd as a dedicated unit.
Awesome.
What I like about our new Edger is we mimicked gas as closely as we can. This is pull the trigger and it goes as fast as you want it to go.
So this is our 14-inch top handle chainsaw. So this is going to be known as like a climbing saw. So it's nice, it's light. There's a tether system, so if people are climbing up ladders, it's easy to hang on to them. This is what most people start off with the system with because it's easy to use and it's gas replacement. So this is actually a new unit right here. So this is something that we have announced, but it hasn't completely came out yet. This is going to be our articulating hedge trimmer. So it's still going to run on the same battery platform as the chainsaw, string trimmer, and blower, but it's going to be a dedicated hedge trimmer unit.
What are the benefits of me utilizing a battery backpack instead of a pump backpack?
Absolutely. So I would say the number one benefit is really making the end user more efficient on the job, right?
On average, what's the area that I can cover?
On a full battery charge, so on a 2.0 amp hour battery, you'll get about 40 gallons per charge.
About 40 gallons per
So
charge.
obviously the coverage rate differs depending on what kind of nozzle you have. This unit in particular comes with 6 different nozzles, includes 3 fan nozzles, different widths, different flow rates. It also includes a jet stream nozzle. So this nozzle will actually reach up to 35 feet up into a tree.
Let's say, for instance, I'm in the field. I need a part, I need some help. I can't get to you.
The equipment service desk is what we call it. We've partnered across the country to make sure that we've got folks that strategically can go on job site, go to the branch. We can send the parts directly to you if it's something that's a little simpler that you can take care of yourself. So we made sure that it was customizable for exactly what our customers need.